Hello and welcome to Cal-a-Vie Health Spa. I'm your lead dietitian, Alexandra Dusenberry. One of the most important aspects of our Refresh and Renew program here at Cal-a-Vie is nutrition. What simple and approachable practices can we implement with our diet to really optimize our health and get back on track to feel better than ever? Well, today's delicious peach smoothie recipe will do just that. So first things first, we're going in with our peaches. You can also use frozen peach slices or freeze them ahead of time for an extra frosty smoothie. Next, we'll add our Greek yogurt. This is an unflavored plain Greek yogurt, so low in sugar content. Also a great source of protein to help balance those blood sugar levels, calcium for our bone health, and it's a great source of probiotics to really help feed that good gut bacteria for our digestion, our immune defenses, and overall good mood. Next, we'll be adding our vanilla extract, and this is a great way to really enhance the flavors of a recipe without having to add a lot of extra added sugars. We're trying to keep the sugar content low and really let those peaches shine with this recipe today. Now we'll be going in with our almond milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer, but we're going with an unsweetened almond milk today, again to keep that sugar content low. Once everything is added to that blender, we'll go ahead and give it a quick whirl. One of the reasons I love using peaches in this recipe is not only are they a great source of antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin C, but it's also really helpful to boost our immune defenses, help support wound healing, and even help with that collagen support. So it's keeping us youthful from the inside out with this recipe today. And once that's all blended, we'll go ahead and pour it out and give it a quick taste test, because that is the best part of making a smoothie, is getting to reap the rewards. If you are pressed on time and you need a quick pick-me-up for that afternoon energy slump, or you are having some sweet cravings and would rather reach for the cookie or candy jar, definitely try this recipe out. Tastes like peaches and cream or a peach cobbler, and you really can't go wrong. I encourage you to make this recipe at home, delicious and nutritious. Bon appetit, enjoy!